You can easily identify the male and female pomegranate flowers by examining the bud shape and size of flowers, number of petals and amount of pollen in the flowers. First, look at the shape of buds before opening the flowers. The buds of female flowers are of peanut shape while male flower buds are smooth, round or elliptical. Next, look at the shape of the flowers. The male flowers are open cup or temple bell shaped, while female flowers are closed vase shaped. The female flower is longer than the male flower. The female flower is wider than the male flowers. The male flowers tend to have a greater number of petals. The male flowers have 5 to 7 petals while female has 3 to 4 petals. Male petals are smaller and pointed than those of the female flower. The next important indicator is the pollen of the flowers. Look at the pollen of the flowers. Male flowers have a higher concentration of pollen than in female flowers. So the flower's shape and size are important indicators for identifying the pomegranate flower. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.